Hello there, I just watched the Netflix documentary Poisoned, The Dirty Truth About Your Food. This came out in 2023. It's rated TV 14 and it says unsanitary conditions, forged safety reports, allegations of corruption. This proactive documentary explores the controversies in the U.S. food industry. I thought this was a really good documentary. I felt like they did such a good job with talking about not only what's the history of some of the problems with the food industry in this country, but also currently what some of the issues are with the food industry in this country. I learned a ton of stuff, and based on it, like most of the time when I watch a food documentary, it is going to make me do some mindful thinking about what kind of foods I'm choosing. And yeah, I would say watch this documentary if you get a chance. If you have Netflix, add it to your list. I will see if I can find a trailer for it, and I'll put that, I will pin it below. And yeah, if you've seen this documentary, let me know what you thought of it. But if you haven't, I would say watch it. Everybody eats food. Watch it. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.